Hey everybody, and welcome back to a special edition of Walking with Khyra. We were here yesterday when it was blizzarding, and here's a shot of the front of the house now. Very nice snow sculptures coming off the roof. There is Mount Khyra, and here is Khyra ready to go. She about pulled me out the door again. I kept saying, Khyra, sit. Khyra, sit. She just wanted to get out here to her snow. All the smells. The doggy nanny called Thursday morning, wanted to know if it snowed yet. I told her yes, it has. Sometime Wednesday evening. And I told her that the sky couldn't be any bluer. And as you see, that is the case. Hard to believe we had what we had yesterday. We've got plenty of white proof. Really looks like the street's only about one vehicle wide, but that's okay. We're polite here. We'll take turns. Still using the old camera for the videos. I did bring a new camera in case we see anything worth taking a picture of. Of course, for some reason, Miss Khyra got invigorated there. And you will have to excuse me if from time to time the shot doesn't really show anything, because between the sun, my sunglasses, and the screen, I really don't know what it is I'm shooting. But as long as I see a fluffy tail, I'm pretty sure Khyra must be in the shot somewhere. Hate to be repetitious on the walk, but this just truly gives you the true essence of Khyra. As this is the first part of the block, so she's at her highest energy level, and it looks like this is probably about the same spot we encountered something really interesting yesterday. Nothing like sticking your head in a snow wall. What you going for, Khyra? What, Timmy's under there? Well, get Timmy out. He probably needs some hot cocoa by now. Okay, Khyra, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Somebody else can come get Timmy. Happy girl. Live Khyra candid camera, one just never knows what she's got up those furry sleeves of hers. she has just made that leaf hers. Winds are still with us, but not nearly as bad as they were Wednesday during our brief walk. Doggy friends were jealous that her mom took her out for a walk, and they want to be signed up for the same walking service. So go ahead, come on. You just have to get to Pennsylvania. I'll walk you if you can get here. We're getting up to the edge of the block. Hopefully we'll be able to go up Bel Air this time. That was a street that was too closed off yesterday. This way we can do our normal walk. But right now we have to wait till the Honda comes on by. Okay, Khyra, let's go. Ah, yes, the street is open. So, what we'll do now, it's barely open, but it's open. We'll be able to take our walk up there. So, thanks again, everybody, for taking a snowy walk with us. We'll be back again soon. Enjoy that snow.